Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Myschoolbucks, MSB Parent USA app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Myschoolbucks is a convenient payment management app designed for parents to easily pay for their child's school-related expenses. The app allows users to add funds to student meal accounts, pay school fees, and even make purchases for activities or events directly from their phone. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports hundreds of school districts across the United States. The app's main feature is its secure online payment system, which lets parents link multiple students, set up automatic payments, and receive low balance alerts. It also offers detailed transaction history so parents can track spending and ensure their child always has funds available for school meals. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many parents appreciate Myschoolbucks for its simplicity, reliability, and convenience. The ability to make payments anytime, get balance notifications, and handle multiple children in one account saves time and effort. However, some users report that processing fees can add up over time, and occasional login or syncing issues occur during high traffic times. Others mention that the app's interface, while functional, could benefit from design improvements. In summary, the Myschoolbucks, MSB Parent USA app may be worth using if you want a quick and organized way to manage your child's school meal payments and fees. However, if you prefer fee-free options or your school offers alternative payment methods, you might not find it essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.